This is one of the most important things that you have to understand inside of trading, and most people are doing it wrong, and 90% of people that are on the internet teaching you are teaching it to you wrong. I have an indicator that absolutely does this for you 100% of the time on any chart, saves you time, and I'm not going to pitch you on it. I'm literally just going to show it to you, and then you can make that decision for yourself on whether or not you think that this is one of the most advanced, if not one of the most important indicators you will ever have on your charts in your entire life. Now, as you can see, this is one chart. I clicked one button, Alpha Structure by Alpha Intelligence, and look what happened. It plotted every single market structure high and low on my chart without me having to lift a finger. I literally clicked one button. It also gave me a trend status box in the upper right-hand corner that I can quickly reference to see that we are in an uptrend on the monthly, weekly, and 4-hour charts on gold, and we are in a downtrend on the daily, the 12-hour, and from the 1 hour all the way down to the 1-minute chart. It's also going to tell me what the high is, the market structure high, and the market structure low of that exact time frame. And inside of that, you're going to be able to see you are in an uptrend on the monthly chart. Now, not only that, but it is also going to tell you all of that on the chart right here inside of its labels. It's going to tell you that the 4-hour high is at $4,215.50. And second to that, if you were to break that high with a candle close, you would be doing what is called a break of structure up, which is a continuation of that 4-hour uptrend. Now, what's the opposite of that? If you look at the 1-hour lows, you will see that a break of structure down would happen if you were to come and close a candle on a 1-hour basis under $4,032.50. So not only is it telling you the trend and the highs and lows and plotting it for you automatically on any chart that you want in seconds, but it's also telling you where that breaks down and what exactly would happen, whether it's a break of structure or a market structure shift. As you can see right here, these would be market structure shifts, meaning we are shifting the structure from a downtrend to an uptrend if we are to break this level right here on the 1-hour and the 30-minute and the 15-minute charts, okay? This is also going to show you where swing failure patterns happen. What are swing failure patterns? They are fake outs of the previous highs to get people to think that the structure is either going to continue or change and move up before it eventually rejects and moves down. And as you can see, every time you get these SFPs, these double SFPs, look at this reaction right here. Look at this bearish SFP right here. Look at the reaction. Look at this one. Look how far down this went. And then you caught a bullish SFP right here, and you went up. You caught bullish SFPs here. You went up. You caught bearish SFPs here. You went down. Look at you catching the absolute bottom of this downtrend here. Swing failure patterns are not going to be 100%, but as you can see, very few times did you actually lose on your trade through here if you were to take those swing failure pattern trades, okay? Now, the other thing that you can do, you can switch in between the actual structure modes. So you can either have the alpha structure mode, or you can toggle this on and go straight into ICT mode, baby. This is for all of my ICT traders. As you can see, whenever I do that, it is going to change higher high, lower low, higher low, lower high, and you see the ICT structure working, and you also see the swing failure patterns also working at these highs, at these lows, and it is absolutely crushing it. Whatever mode that you decide to use, you can make that decision for yourself and see which one that you think works better. Now, as you can see, this is a full system in and of itself telling you where the market is going to continue either up or down, or where it is going to break structure and shift from a downtrend to an uptrend or an uptrend to a downtrend. It's also telling you exactly where those fake outs and those liquidity grabs are coming in the form of swing failure patterns, and it is doing it in real time 24/7 on any asset, and you don't have to do a thing except for press one button and turn it on your chart. And I think it's very easy to see that anybody that is not using this, that is manually charting, is at a serious disadvantage to anyone that is. So if you want these on your chart, you can try them for $7 today. All you got to do, click the first link in the description, go to getalphaindicators.com, try them out. If they don't do everything that I just showed you, if they don't absolutely crush it for you, if they don't change the way that you trade, unsubscribe, come back to this video, tell me I suck, but I bet you won't.